How to add link to TikTok bio. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link to TikTok bio, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. When I'm on my TikTok profile, then I need to click on this try-bar symbol in the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, we need to click on Manage Account. In here, we need to click where it says Switch to Business Account. Now, when you have done that, then you can go back to your TikTok profile once again and then click on Edit Profile. And as you can see, I have this website option right here now, and that is exactly where I need to click. Now, I will need to write the website that I want to promote, and after I'm done, then I need to click on Save. And just like that, I have now added a link to my TikTok bio. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.